Hello everyone, welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. I'm looking at Neo. I'm checking that it's not really falling, it's just a false, which the stock doing a lot in the early few minutes of the day, and that's look like a new and beautiful reversal. And I'm about to enter. So it's not a lot of risk, consider cents, of course. But yeah, it's about 10 cents, 15 cents stop. And I want to see I can enter over this candle, which looks really interesting. Okay. If I can get over this candle, which I just did, I want to join. Okay, now I need to see the momentum continue. It did show that it doesn't really want to go down. It's finished. And hopefully that will be the case. Oh, sorry, by the mistake. It's a buck risk, by the way. I did enter correctly, but I mentioned it incorrectly. So can you? Kind of stuck on the half number, which is not that good for me. I'm putting all my partials. So basically the only thing I can do is watch the stock and move the stop. That's kind of the only things that I can do. But I don't like what I'm saying, tell the truth. Kind of stuck on the half number. You don't get the momentum that I wanted for the continuation of the trade, but I'm hoping that it's just the stop and not really a crash, because I don't want to start the day with a failed trade. Come on. Where are you going? That's not the direction. It's looking bad. I didn't move my stop yet because basically my rule saying I'm not going to move it until I'm getting partial one, which I didn't. But it doesn't look too good for me. Come on. Yeah, I'm out. Really bad for me. Starting the day with a failure. That's nice. So it just fooled me. It did the reversal and failed, and it cost me 67 bucks. And if I'm looking at the end of the day, it's crashed from there until it recovered, which took some time. Okay, so I looked for another trade, and the only thing I could have found interesting is ADPN, APDN, sorry. And I'm looking to see if it's going to reach the view up and then do the reversal. Because if it does, it can continue down. It basically started and tremble all day long, so there is no reason that it's not going to continue. But I'm going to wait and see what it will do. Come on. Just a bit more. I don't mind to enter if this candle is going to end the way that it is. I mean in the 3 minutes, but I will actually love to see it touching the view up. I'm not gonna seeing it closely. Come on. It's not moving. Okay, so if it's doing the reversal here, I will join just below this little candle, because it's really stuck there, which is really nice. Putting the stop as well, which is pretty much the view up. It's 10 cents, and I'm waiting to see what it will do. Preparing my partials. I don't know what it's going to do, but it looks like a good setup. Come on. Shouldn't be stuck in the same place for too long. That will not be a good sign. Okay. Now you start moving, right? Now if this stock didn't exchange in 2+ million shares, I would gonna give it up, but does have the momentum. I did keep it in 15 cents. Stop in the end. But come on. Where is my momentum? Where is the movement that I was waiting for? Come on. Slow movement. But for now it's still going to in the right direction, so I'm good with it. Really a slow trade. But if it's a payful trade, I'm good with it. Let it move as slow as it can. Okay. looking to see resistance from the pre-market to see if I missed something that need to be considered. Okay, so I still have a lot of space to run. But it's still not moving. Come on. There is no movement, there is no volume. I'll be mad if I'm kind of finishing 2 out of 2 as a lost. That's not a reason to enter for the second one. The second one should be at least a recovery, if not a profit. Which for now I don't get yet, which is depressed as hell. Come on. You can do it. It's not too far away. Come on. No, it's doing a reversal for the reversal, which is really nice. And the 5 minutes looks like hell. And little volume and it's jumping. It's looking bad for me. Now the volume is coming, but it's basically pushing me into the green territory, which is not something I want to be today. Consider that I'm doing short. Come on. Oh, the 5 minutes ended miserably for me. Come on. It'll be a false reversal. Come on. I don't like what I'm seeing, and that looks really bad. Really, really bad. So I did finish 2 out of 2 loss, which is miserably performance for me today. I'm looking to see if it was a full failure, meaning it's going to run up, or it's just shake me out kinda trade and then kinda continuing. And I'm not sure yet. Still playing. Okay, I will leave it that way. Okay, so I finished the trade with 58 loss. I didn't move the stop. I should have tried to take profit a bit earlier, and after that you can see it's tested up again, crashed, and then kind of jumped up. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.